Say hello, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the jumping contest. Go!
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the jumping competition.
Say these are contestants Kyle Longoria and Titus Muscali.
These are our contestants, Kai and Kyle Longoria.
Okay. Speak to the camera, get closer. And tell us when to go.
Now ready! And in box, get set, race! Go!
Hello here, listeners. Today I'm going to be doing like a little spin question, you know what I mean? This is for my country. Boom! Yeah.
I'll give that a 3.5.
3.5? Oh!
Oh, give that a 10.
What?
0.
Oh!
0.1.
Point for one. Kyle Longoria.
And I'll give you a 6. Oh, let's give you a 7.
I did a front flip in the air. Oh, that sounded painful.
2.6.
I'm gonna be doing a special trick here. Watch out, Lydia, so my fans can see me.
Hey, no.
Yeah.
2.1.
I didn't finish yet.
2.1. And 2.6.
Really? Get this judge out of here. Move out of the way.
1. 2.3.
Splits?
2.6.
Okay, enough with the 2 points. Go.
Give Kyle a little 3 and Kai about 9.
Yeah.
But Kyle still holds the record 10.
Michael Ready? Jordan. Ready for the
3.
Michael Jordan.
Oh, yeah. 2.6.
What? Get out of here, boy.
I'm just kidding. 6.
Okay, ready? LeBron James.
Whoa! I'll give you a 20. 21.
Kobe Bryant.
1. I'm just kidding.
If you have gold here, it's mine.
10.
Woo! That's
We're getting up to the high points, folks.
ow.
Think about that one.
I'll retry.
No retries.
1, 2. Me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What?
10
Really?
for Kyle. And I do that over because I was not looking.
What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. The backflip.
8.
Here,
It's close to 10.
Yeah, fight me.
Ah!
Fight me. Die. Oh, get that a judge in there, maybe.
You want to see me?
Wait. Move out of the way, judge lady.
Okay, watch me, judge lady.
And now it is Kyle's turn.
Oh, did that hurt?
Oh, I'll give you a 25. Yeah. 22. 22. Nope, you already have your turn.
Okay, no, this isn't fair, Lydia.
Kyle's turn. Make it snappy.
Oh, that hurts. I can't get on the trampoline. It hurts. Ow. Oh. What
Whoa! 1,029. I'm just kidding. 20.
Kyle, throw this for me.
100. I give you a 100.
Okay. Here, be over here. Okay. Just wait till I jump up and then throw it. Here we go, folks. Ow! Ow! Ow!
102.
Hit the Mustang.
I got the highest.
I got 1,000.
No, did you really give him 1,000?
No, that's it.
Oh yes, I beat you. I got 102.
No, she gave me
No, you
100.
get over there, boy.
Okay.
No, I give you 100 more.
No, you gave me 102.
Fine.
What? Did you just literally do that? Did you just know what she did? She put her dress up inside there. I think Mom's gonna be watching this video.
Yeah, it's going on YouTube.
She likes going on the internet. Go!
I'm going.
Get this turkey moving! Wait, let's do the wrestling match on here. First one to get off the mat loses.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. Oh! Kyle wins. You have to get 10 to be the ultra champion. Go.
You went out first, so.
Okay. Ready? Set, go. Sin cara. Yeah. Ty wins if Kyle does not return to the mat in 3, 2, 1. The champion. Boom. Boom. Clap the sound of my heart to the beat. Oh,
You went out first.
You guys, move aside. Move aside. I said move aside. Yeah.
Sounds fun. Ticka, ticka, ticka. Ticka, ticka, ticka. Ticka, ticka, ticka.
Hey, Ty, do you want me to help you?
Really?
Whoa, watch out. Ow! Fight me? What, fight me?
I see your little orange underwear.
I'm not wearing orange underwear.
I'm still on. Get his legs up, Ty. I'll hold his butt.
You're off. No, I'm not. My hands are still on.
Nope. Ow! That's it.
Okay, guys, I'm done. The mosquitoes are getting really bad. Kyle,
Yeah.
I'm going fine. Okay, you grab the trampoline because it's really light. Actually, no, you can get like the bins in your bag and your slides and stuff. I can get the stuff up too.
Bye.